Some students are heading back to school in fewer than 2 weeks. Tonight, we're learning more about why 3 of the largest school districts in eastern Washington are bringing kindergarten students back to class by early October.
Well, yesterday, Spokane Public Schools, Central Valley, and West Valley all announced a phased approach to kids returning to in-person learning. It starts with the youngest students. Each district says kindergartners will be on an alternating schedule. The plan is to have them back in class starting the first week of October. The news comes as Spokane County sees an uptick in cases, so tonight, some parents are asking, why now?
Well, we put that question before Dr. Bob Lutz and 2 of the district superintendents. In short, this age group has seen very few cases in our county. School leaders say they're leaning on that data to make this decision and future calls. Tonight, some parents celebrating the news.
Hi.
Soon, Julian will be introducing himself to his kindergarten classmates in person.
They're doing good in the online school. It's a little bit of a challenge with the kindergartner, though.
Mother Gina Stevens was glad to hear one of her 2 sons will be back in class by October.
I was happy about it, mostly because he needs that in-person communication with his teacher. He needs the interaction with the other kids.
SPS joins West Valley and Central Valley school districts in putting this phased approach into place. Superintendents say they'll be working hand in hand with the health district.
As we move forward, that will be calibrated based on Dr. Lutz's advice as to what is happening with cases and the advisability of moving more children back into in-person learning.
So why now? Dr. Lutz says it comes down to the science and the fact that this age group has continuously seen few cases of COVID-19.
This is not a reflection of public pressure. This is a function of working with data. You know, again, the Department of Health has been impressing upon us at the local level to follow our data with respect to bringing children back to instruction. As I shared with you earlier, the incidence rate is very, very small in this population.
As for older students, cases across the community will need to be even lower for them to move from the couch to the classroom.
Just want to encourage our community as a whole to follow the social distancing guidelines and requirements of wearing masks. The more that we work together and partner as a community in doing that and following those, the quicker we will be able to return all of our students to in-person instruction.
Each school district is requiring students and staff to wear face coverings. They will all be monitored for the virus daily, and anyone not feeling well will be sent home right away. Classrooms will also be set up to support that social distancing. Aaron?